This poem is by Khalid Said Virk. Its name is Sayonara. Sayonara, 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 golden rose of Nara. Shintara, 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 Chico Princess Tara. Tara, O Tara, Tara, Asmara, Chino Arab Hamara. Street names like Lahora and Anara, like sparkling lights of Nara. Nara, O Nara, Nara, sparkling fountains of Abpara, like a shy smile of Yemeni boy, he said, bye bye and sayonara.